Hey, my divas. I am coming to you with an update or a revision of the giveaway that's now in progress. I've had such an overwhelming supportive response from you guys that I want to make this giveaway a double giveaway. I want to be able to pick a winner for the US and internationally. So I will be choosing two winners. One from the US that I'm going to send all of the items that I showed you in the last video. And then another one for the winner that's international, that's outside of the US. You will receive a $10 Amazon gift card if you have Amazon available in your country. The reason I wanted to do this is because the support that you showed me by subscribing and commenting on my videos, that means more to me than than any amount of products or money or anything else. That support is something that money can't buy. So I wanted to extend my appreciation to you by just giving you this small token of my appreciation. I know it's not much, but I just want to show you that I appreciate what you do. And for those who may not get the opportunity to win this go round, I'm already planning the next giveaway. I already started picking out stuff, going get stuff from the Dollar Tree that I absolutely love and ordering stuff off of Amazon that I want to share with you. So that the next giveaway is already in progress and we haven't even finished with this one yet. So, and there will be a lot more opportunities for you to win prizes because honestly, I have quite a bit of things in my stash because I'm the dollar diva. I mean, I look for everything on a budget. I don't pay full price for anything. So I don't mind sharing something that I paid, a couple bucks for because I found it on sale. And that's what I'm all about. But to share it with you is a gift, from me to you and from you to me by you watching my videos and subscribing and liking and commenting. That's my gift to you. So we're going to be having regular giveaways on this channel. So if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. The giveaway that's going on right now is going to run until Thursday of next week, which is May the 13th. That's when I will release a video and pick a winner randomly out of a bag on video. And you will then have to email me. My email is in the description below. Email me let's see, if you're in the US, you're going to have to email me your mailing address. If you are not a public subscriber, you're going to have to email me. If you win, email me your showing like a screenshot of you showing that you are subscribed to me and that you did like the video. Just take a screenshot with your cell phone or whatever. And if you are an international winner, you will have to take a screenshot and email me showing that you are a subscriber, or if your account is public, I can see my name on your subscriber list anyway. And then you'll have to send me like your Amazon information, so that I can be able to give you the Amazon gift card electronically. So we'll figure all of that out when the time comes. But for now, just keep watching my videos until Thursday, and we're going to have some fun over here on Natural Niecy Nails. I can't even say my channel name. I'm so excited. But I just wanted to have something for you to look at while I was telling you about these revisions and upgrades. This is the hand that I just ordered. I was telling you that I was going to order another hand like the one that I had before, and it was only $5. This hand came with all of these nail tips and these 2 fingernail files for $5.99. So I will link it below so that if you want to grab one, you can from Amazon. But I'm going to tell you, the first thing they sent me was not right. They only sent me I'm going to show you what they sent me at first. It was this big old box, and this is what was in it. I was like, oh no. So some nail adhesive, some French pink nail tips, and two little sad fingernail files. I was like, no, that's not what I ordered. So I contacted Amazon and they sent the right thing out. So purchase it at your own risk, but for $5, Amazon will make it right. So you don't have to really worry about that. So that's it. That's it. I just wanted to quickly come on here and share that with you. And I just, again, I want to just say thank you. Thank you for your immense support. And let's just enjoy this ride, enjoy this journey of learning how to do our nails and slay our nails and be looking fabulous on a budget, okay? So you have a wonderful rest of the day, my divas, and you stay beautiful, okay? Bye for now.